Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on flashlight in Once Human. To turn on flashlight in Once Human, first of all, launch open the Once Human game on your device, whichever device you are using. And once you're inside the open world in the game, go ahead and tap on the three-dot menu at the top right corner and click on flashlight. Soon after you do that, you will be able to turn on the character's flashlight. To turn off the flashlight, you can go ahead and tap the three dots at the top right once again and tap on flashlight, and that's how you turn it off as well. The flashlight function works in dark caves, night missions, ruins, and dungeons. So that's how you easily enable and turn off the flashlight mode in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.